12 minus 4 equals to 8 times 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. So we have 8 times 8 becomes 64. So this is our wrong answer, and this is the wrong process to solve this problem. So some students can do these mistakes in the exam. So please avoid these steps. And here we just use the nice PEMDAS rule to solve this type of problem. So here first we little bit explain about the PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we just remember the order of these operations from left to right. Okay, it means that we give the first priority to the parentheses and we give the last priority to the subtraction. Further, you remember one thing is that multiplication and division has equal priority. Also, addition and subtraction has also the equal priority. So now we move towards the solution of this problem by applying the PEMDAS rule, and now we copy down given question statement here. Now you see that in this question we have two operations, subtraction and parentheses, and according to this rule we give the first priority to the parentheses. It means that first we need to solve the parentheses values and we keep the remaining terms as it is. So we have 12 minus 4 becomes here 8, and after simplification of parentheses we get the new operations are subtraction and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS rule, we give the first priority to multiplication and then subtraction. Okay, it means that first we need to simplify multiplication terms, and we have 12 minus 4 times 8 becomes 32, and here we subtract both of these two values and we get 12 minus 32 is equals to minus 20. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.